If there's one lesson I've learned the hard way, it's this. Never create a video without knowing exactly what action you want your audience to take. It might be to sign up for your email list. It might be to check out your sales page. It might be to watch the next video in a series that educates people about your products or services. Whatever that action is, it is absolutely vital to your success. So vital that I encourage you to write it down. If someone else is creating your videos, they're going to need this information. If you're creating video yourself, keep that call to action right where you can see it throughout the whole video creation and production process. It's easy to lose focus, so having that instant reminder of the result you want from your audience can get you back on track much faster.